What if I told you that one of crypto's sleeping giants just awoke? What if I told you it surged over 25% in days, and is now eyeing a target that could change everything for its holders? But here's the kicker. What if this explosive growth is happening amidst a shocking public confrontation, a high-stakes drama exposing the dark underbelly of our decentralized world? In just 7 days, Cardano's native token, ADA, exploded by an astonishing 25.26%, rocketing past resistance and hitting $0.7477. Now, for those of you who have been holding ADA through thick and thin, you know this isn't just another small pump. This is significant. This is a potential turning point. So, what lit this fuse? Well, a huge catalyst is the growing excitement around Emergo's latest innovation, the Cardano card. Guys, this isn't just another crypto debit card. This is a game-changer designed to bridge the chasm between our digital assets and everyday spending. Imagine using your ADA, your BTC, even your SOL directly at your local grocery store, your favorite coffee shop, anywhere in the world. No more fumbling with third-party processors or expensive, cumbersome centralized exchanges to off-ramp your crypto for daily purchases. This card is literally set to revolutionize how we interact with our digital wealth. And the public response? Absolutely wild. It gained even more traction when none other than Cardano co-founder, the legendary Charles Hoskinson himself, publicly asked on X, "How do I get one?" When the founder of a multi-billion-dollar blockchain project is this excited about a product from their ecosystem, you know it's a big deal. His simple tweet ignited a firestorm of curiosity, drawing even more eyes to the Cardano card, and as we've seen, directly contributing to ADA's recent surge. But wait, there's more to this card than just spending. Emergo plans to roll out features allowing users to stake ADA directly through the card, access collateral-backed loans, and even earn juicy yields through real-world asset, RWA, tokenization, and decentralized finance DeFi programs. This isn't just a spending tool, it's a full-blown financial portal. And get this, a portion of the spending profits will be channeled back into the Cardano treasury, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. The virtual version is expected later this year, with the physical card and more advanced features planned through mid-2026. This is the definition of utility and adoption, two of the highest RPM keywords in crypto right now. Now, you might think this is all sunshine and rainbows for Cardano, right? A surging price, innovative products, founder enthusiasm. But here's where the plot thickens. Because while ADA was busy making headlines for its price action and card innovation, Charles Hoskinson found himself embroiled in a very public, very heated confrontation. A confrontation that serves as a stark reminder of the Wild West nature of our crypto world and the constant threats lurking beneath the surface. It all started when a crypto trader named Robin Engraf publicly accused an input-output employee, Gabriel Martin, of misappropriating funds. Engraf claimed Martin collected funds under the guise of trade withdrawals, and had months of bank records and chat logs to back up these serious allegations. The accusation? That input-output, the company behind Cardano, was essentially allowing and supporting theft. Imagine the shockwaves this sent through the community. But Charles Hoskinson did not back down. In a series of unapologetic X posts, he absolutely rebutted these scam allegations. He didn't empathize, he went straight for the jugular, accusing Engraf of failing to perform basic due diligence and falling victim to an obvious impersonation scam. Hoskinson detailed how this is part of a broader, rampant pattern of impersonation scams targeting high-profile crypto figures and their projects. He said he's seen thousands of similar emails over the last decade, with victims often eager to make quick gains, and then, when the scam unravels, lashing out and seeking someone else to blame. His words were harsh, but the message was crystal clear. In crypto, if something seems too good to be true, it almost certainly is. This serves as a vital, sobering reminder to all of us. Due diligence isn't just a suggestion, it's your absolute first line of defense in this market. The crypto ecosystem, while revolutionary, is still plagued by these kinds of scams, preying on greed and lack of information. Always scrutinize investment opportunities that promise outsized gains without clear, verifiable substantiation. Do your own research. DIR. So we have a groundbreaking product driving adoption, a charismatic leader defending his ecosystem, and a token that's already pumping. But the real question is, where does ADA go from here? Could this be the beginning of something truly massive? That's where the insights from top analysts come in. According to a new tweet from the highly respected World of Charts, ADA is currently testing the upper boundary of a long-term descending channel. And guess what? This setup is almost identical to two previous rallies that delivered absolutely insane gains. We're talking over 150% and 230% respectively. Look at this. The first breakout, late 2023, saw ADA explode from around 28 cents to 73 cents, a whopping 159% move. Then, in November 2024, it happened again. ADA surged from 37 cents to $1.24, an incredible 233% increase. Both times, it was a clean breakout from a descending wedge, with strong bullish candles and increased volume. And now, here we are. ADA is testing that same critical descending trendline that's capped price action for the last 9 months. We've just broken above the horizontal resistance in the 62 cents to 66 cents range, and the wedge is narrowing, with ADA already closing outside the upper trend line. If this breakout holds, the structural similarity to those previous monster rallies is uncanny. World of Chart's measured move on this pattern projects a potential 185% rally, which would send ADA soaring to about $1.40 to $1.50. That would put it just shy of its November 2024 high, and for many long-term holders, it would be a very welcome sight indeed. Now, my opinion on this $1.50 prediction: the structure looks incredibly solid. Historically, these falling wedge breakouts in ADA have shown strong follow-through, especially when backed by good volume and confirmation. The previous rallies didn't just stop at initial resistance, they extended for weeks with very few deep pullbacks. If the current market conditions remain bullish, if Bitcoin holds strong, and we see continued institutional interest and DeFi growth, then this breakout has serious room to run. A clean retest of that 62 cents to 66 cents zone as support would further strengthen the bullish case. However, it is absolutely critical that ADA holds above this wedge to avoid a fakeout. If it falls back inside the pattern, the bulls could lose momentum, and we might see a retrace. The $1.50 target is not guaranteed, remember that. This is crypto and volatility is king. But based on past price behavior and this incredibly clean technical setup, it is absolutely within reach, especially if the overall market sentiment stays strong and the Cardano card continues to generate buzz. This could be a pivotal moment for ADA, transforming it from a sleeping giant to a genuine market leader. Alright, before we wrap this up, a crucial disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Cryptocurrency investments are inherently volatile and carry significant risk. You could lose some or all of your invested capital. Always conduct your own thorough research, understand the risks involved, and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, what do you think? Is Cardano finally ready for its next big move? Will the Cardano card be the catalyst we've been waiting for? And what are your thoughts on Hoskinson's blunt response to the scam allegations? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this analysis valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the crypto world, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next market-moving insights. Until next time, stay safe out there, stay smart, and keep those eyes on the charts.